Welcome back, team, to another day in the life. Today it is, what is it today? Oh, Thursday, 4th day of the trading week. Tomorrow is Friday, going to be the last day of the trading week. We are currently up 1,300 on the funded, one of the funded accounts, and the other one we are up 1,300 as well. Today I'm gonna be trading one of those. Obviously I'm gonna be trading on one of those. There really is no reason to make this intro too long, so let's just get right into the trading. We're in a US 30 trade right now. It is 10, well, not even 10, it's 9:51. We is up floating $1,000 right now. We are on the challenge. If we close right now, it's at 1,052,000. Well, no, wait, what the hell? 152,000. There you go. Hold it down to this low because these are equal lows and I want them to get ran. As for today was bullish in the beginning, right? But I missed this entry on this fair value gap here. So it targeted, it went all the way back up, missed my entry. So I was okay. We started to see some rejection, so I wanted to go short. So I went short, and now we're up only 700 profit. Stop loss is at break even, so there's no risk on this trade anymore because we did hit TP1. TP2 is down here. So as long as we get stopped out at break even or we hit TP, I'm okay with that because there's no risk on the table, and we just come back tomorrow. This trade is looking really good right now. We're up $1,500. It's looking really good. I honestly, like I told you guys already, I want this equal lows to get taken out first before I even get out. That's my TP level. But it's pushing back already. We're gonna see. We can go down to the lower time frames and see how it's looking. It's looking like we're gonna get a little retrace over here, maybe even to the break-even level, and then push down. Back down to 800 bucks. Not too crazy. I'm not afraid of break even. I am risk free. This is why I love putting stop loss to break even after you hit TP1, because that just, you know, your mental goes like straight to peace, you know what I'm saying? But the only thing you gotta be okay with is being able to win nothing on the day and walk away, you know what I'm saying? That's the only downside about breaking even. I'm not liking how we're retracing here, but it is what it is. We get stopped out, we get stopped out. I get stopped out here. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Might get stopped out of break even. Y'all see it. It is 10:21. We are still in this trade. This trade is taking a little while to play out, but ain't no complaining here. We up right now, so I'm just gonna wait. Probably 11. Probably to like 10:30. We should be out of here, or even 11. At this point, I don't even care if it hits stop loss or break even. I mean, break even or take profit. Shit is like just moving up and down. I don't even care if it hits stop loss or break even. I'm gonna say it again, I don't even care. Just gotta be patient. It gets stopped out at break even. Finally, it finally chose a way to go. It is 11:05. What the hell? It took a while to get something, but we ended up, you know, winning on the day. A break-even trade for me is a win on the day. So with that being said, let's move on. All right, guys, just finished up trading real quick. Not even real quick. It took me like an hour just to get in and out of a trade. Anyway, yes, you see how much of a roller coaster of emotions you get when trading. You know, I was up 2,000, then back up to 500, then back down to up 2,000 again, you know. But that's why we risk manage, and we put stop loss to break even. We got stopped out for a profit of $12, so that's fine. I'm okay with doing that. It was a risk-free trade. We only took one trade today on US 30, but now we're gonna go head to the store. I'm gonna go to Big Lots, and I'm gonna go get, maybe find some comforter for my sheets. Also gonna go to the grocery store, get all the food that I'm gonna be eating this week. You know, I got a meal prep. Came back from the grocery store and came back from the store to get the comforters or whatever. So I got 2 pillows. I ended up not getting a comforter. I just got new sheets. I couldn't find a good comforter that I liked. 93.7 lean. We got 7 of these bad boys and some avocados. I'm gonna be eating for the next 7 days. Just eggs, ground beef, water, avocado, and maybe a little bit of rice. But now I'm gonna get everything settled. I'm gonna get these sheets down, and I'm gonna start heading to the gym. I'm gonna continue editing this video as well. There's a lot of things I gotta do right now before I head to the gym, so I'm gonna catch you guys later. I just came back from the gym, had a quick little workout. I didn't really do too much. I'm a little tired today. Honestly, now this is gonna be the end of the video, but what I am gonna do after I'm done finishing up this video and scheduling it for tomorrow, I am gonna try to get on the charts and start backtesting just a little more. You know, this new strategy's been working. It's been break even. It's been winning trades or breaking even on trades, not really losing. So I am gonna get on the backtesting just to get my confidence a little more up. And yeah, I mean, this is where the video is gonna end. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.